Have you witnessed the stunning allure of Mapisi Rock? Nestled in Santiago Ilocos Sur, it's an essential destination to include in your travels. Inhale the fresh air, admire its natural splendor, and discover the remarkable rock formations. Mapisi Rock, also known as Biak na Bato, derives from the Ilocano term meaning fractured or broken, and is located along the coastal area of Barangay Ambucao, just 4 kilometers from the National Highway. This site is composed of large coral rock boulders that have been geologically broken down to create a cave-like appearance. There are now concrete structures, including viewing decks and interconnected pathways built on and around the rock formation. These additions were clearly made for the safety and comfort of visitors. The Mapisi Rock Formation is a stunning natural marvel. This mesmerizing formation has been created by hundreds of years of erosion from wind and water, which has sculpted the rocks into distinctive and beautiful shapes.